JDM fans, this is Brendan at Japan Direct Motors, and today I have for you another JDM vehicle. This is a very pretty 1992 Mitsubishi GTO. It has a 3-liter 6G72 and it is a 6-cylinder. And in Japan, these vehicles actually came with all-wheel drive. And we are gonna take it for a ride today. All-wheel drive is one of my favorite types of vehicles, and we'll see how it performs on the road. What's up? This GTO is very comfortable to drive. The all-wheel drive pulls well and accelerates well. This car is sitting on 17-inch in-key wheels. It feels like you're very low to the ground, yet the suspension is manageable and it actually takes the bumps up very, very well in my opinion. Mitsubishi rolled this car out in 1990 and stopped production in 2000. The front-wheel drive edition of this car was only available in America, and you may know this car as a 3000 GT or Dodge Stealth. This is a naturally aspirated versus the other editions, which are twin turbo. But like I said before, with it being the 3-liter, it produces really good power. Two of the features I absolutely love about this GTO is the sunroof and the pop-up headlights. Both of those things make this car just even cooler. You can see this car today at japandirectmotors.com. Let me know any other JDM vehicle that you guys want to see in the near future, or any other type of video that you guys want to see. Comment below. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Give us a comment. And we thank you guys so much for watching.